I am happy today. I am happy today. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is playing football. He is playing football. We are eating dinner. We are eating dinner. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. I love coffee. I love coffee. They are going to school. They are going to school. It is raining now. It is raining now. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. She is cooking food. She is cooking food. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. We are watching TV. We are watching TV. They are playing games. They are playing games. I am studying English. I am studying English. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. He is drawing a picture. He is drawing a picture. We are walking in the park. We are walking in the park. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. He is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. They are swimming. They are swimming. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. He is jumping high. He is jumping high. We are sitting together. We are sitting together. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming. I am calling my friend. I am calling my friend. She is buying clothes. She is buying clothes. He is fixing the computer. He is fixing the computer. We are having lunch. We are having lunch. I am taking a photo. I am taking a photo. She is watering the flowers. She is watering the flowers. He is opening a gift. He is opening a gift. They are dancing. They are dancing. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. He is carrying a bag. He is carrying a bag. We are climbing a mountain. We are climbing a mountain. She is drinking tea. She is drinking tea. He is playing the piano. He is playing the piano. They are planting a tree. They are planting a tree. I am feeding the baby. I am feeding the baby. She is cutting vegetables. She is cutting vegetables. He is reading the news. He is reading the news. We are traveling by plane. We are traveling by plane. I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast. She is closing the window. She is closing the window. He is catching the ball. He is catching the ball. They are painting the wall. They are painting the wall. I am learning new words. I am learning new words. She is ironing clothes. She is ironing clothes. He is shopping at the market. He is shopping at the market. We are celebrating a birthday. We are celebrating a birthday.